Hello, we're down here at the Irish Ploughing Championships. For those of you that are not from Ireland, the Irish Ploughing Championships is Europe's biggest outdoor show where we'll have about 300,000 visitors over 3 days. Inspectech is delighted to have a stand here to show off our various dealerships that we have here in Ireland, and one that's really taking off for us is Zoomlion. So let's go in here and have a quick look at what we've got. This is just off the boat, and it's here on our stand here, this amazing Zoomlion boom lift. And I've got with me here is Dan Daly. Dan is the sales director for Inspectech and is the guy that's been really pushing Zoomlion in Ireland. Now, a lot of people mightn't realise Zoomlion are a massive manufacturer. Not only do they do access equipment, but they do construction equipment like excavators. They also load and shovels. They do tower cranes. They do cranes. So they're a massive, massive manufacturer. So just tell me a little bit about, just explain to people what is Zoomlion like worldwide.
Well, I suppose I met Zoomlion probably 20 years ago at a show in Germany, Bauma, and at the time they're massive into tower cranes and mobile cranes, and I suppose look, I've been watching them come. They're obviously developed and they're obviously international brand now. They're in the top 10 biggest manufacturers of construction equipment in the world. So I suppose look at like a company that size comes knocking on your door looking to do business with you, you have to talk to them, and as I say, we're in a lucky position now that we represent Zoomlion for the access equipment for all of Ireland.
Tell me this. Now, you had to hit the ground running. Inspectech had to hit the ground running because Zoomlion weren't in the country at the time. So that's 2 years ago. What has the response been like since you went out there introducing this brand to lots of different types of customers?
It's been very positive. It's been very, very positive. The first machine we brought in, we sold it to a local guy not far from us in Eden Derry, Hire Station, and he's actually come on and bought more machines off me since from that experience. This machine we have here is going to company Central Plant and Tool Hire in Bor in County Offaly. This is his 7th Zoomlion. He started off with a small 19-foot scissors as well last year, so now he's on machine number 7. The first 6 machines have worked fine, no problems. So if we're getting customers coming back like that, and that gets out into the industry as well, other companies are watching what's going on, and we're now starting to get customers actually ringing us, asking us about the product. And obviously the innovation as well, certainly in the smaller scissors lifts, like all the new machines now come with lithium battery, they come with electric drive, they come with a good warranty. So certainly the lithium is a big selling point on them as well. With the maintenance, it's a 5-year warranty on the battery. It's maintenance free. Zoomlion are way ahead of the competition with this technology. So that makes life easier for me. And obviously you always like to have a USP and unique selling point on your machine, and we have that with Zoomlion. So it's very good. Yeah.
So with the Zoomlion Access that Inspectech are the dealer for in Ireland, what is the smallest machine up to the biggest machine?
The smallest machine we've sold is the model of the ZS0407, which is a 15-foot narrow small scissors lift, which again, it only weighs 895 kgs. So if a lot of these places now in gymnasiums where they're wooden floors, weight is an issue. It's got, again, going into rental. This currently here beside me here is ZA14J, which is a 45-foot wheel boom machine. That's the biggest machine that we've brought in to date. But like Zoomlion, the range goes up to, I think, 80 meters, 90 meter machines, which is over like up to 200 foot booms, which are, so like
nosebleed stuff.
Yes, you want a parachute to get out of it, yeah. But look at that market here in Ireland is probably very, very limited, that size machine. But like this machine here beside me, there's a huge market for like 45 foot. That's a very, 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 very busy market. So so it's all good.
Now, not only are they well designed, well built, manufactured, and of course with all the added extras that make them stand out, what really makes them stand out is the amount of people who say to me, I love the colour.
Yeah. I think I sold a machine to a guy 2 weeks ago, and the colour was actually the colour of the machine that got the deal. It was 19-foot scissors, and obviously he was quoting or getting prices off the competitors, and he decided on Zoomlion the colour was the deciding factor. So that when you see that machine on site, it can only be a Zoomlion. It can't be anybody else.
So green, clean machines, only available from Inspectech Ireland. All the information is on the website, Inspectech. www.inspectech.ie. You can see it all there. And Dan, the man here, would only be too delighted to bring a machine down to you for a demo and to explain more about the Zoomlion brand and how these machines will give your business a serious lift.